Is time travel to the future possible? How? Is time travel to the past possible? How? We'll explore the ideas proposed by physicists on this topic in the rest of this video. Is time travel scientifically possible? Time travel is one of the most fascinating ideas in science and human imagination. From movies like Interstellar and Back to the Future to serious physics theories, they all ask the same question. Is it really possible to travel through time? Part 1. Traveling to the future. Scientifically possible. It may sound strange, but traveling to the future is completely possible from a physics perspective. This possibility is predicted by Einstein's special theory of relativity. How? According to Einstein's theory, time is a relative concept, meaning it can pass at different rates for different people. When you move at a very high speed, close to the speed of light, time slows down for you. As a result, if someone travels through space at high speed and then returns, only a few months may have passed for them, while years may have passed on Earth. This phenomenon has been confirmed by scientific experiments. For example, the clocks on GPS satellites tick slightly differently than those on Earth and need to be carefully adjusted. Experiments with subatomic particles show that their lifetimes increase when moving at high speeds. Conclusion: traveling to the future is not only possible, it's actually happening every day on a small scale. Part 2. Traveling to the past. Is it possible? Now we come to the more exciting part. Can we go back to the past? This is where things get much more complicated. Ideas physicists have explored. 1. Wormholes. In general relativity, wormholes are hypothetical tunnels connecting two points in space-time. If we could place the two ends of a wormhole at different times, we might be able to use it to travel back in time. The problem? No wormhole has ever been discovered. To keep one stable, we'd need exotic matter with negative energy, something that hasn't been proven to exist. Two closed time-like curves, CTCs. Some solutions to Einstein's equations allow objects to move in a closed loop through time, meaning they return to their starting point. These models exist in theoretical physics, but it's unclear if they're possible in the real world. 3 logical paradoxes. Imagine going back in time and preventing your own birth. How did you go back in time in the first place? This is known as the grandfather paradox. Such contradictions lead some scientists to believe that time travel to the past is fundamentally impossible, or if it's possible, it only happens in ways that prevent paradoxes. For example, no matter what you do, the past doesn't change. 4. Scientists' opinions. Stephen Hawking jokingly wrote in a paper, "If time travel to the past were possible, why hasn't anyone from the future visited us yet?" Others, like Kurt Gödel, proposed mathematical models of the universe in which time travel is theoretically possible, but such models don't match the universe we live in. Scientific summary. Type of time travel scientific status. Explanation: traveling to the future possible. Based on relativity. Achieved through high-speed travel or near strong gravitational fields. Traveling to the past theoretical only many. Ideas, but unproven. Faces paradoxes and requires advanced technologies beyond our current capabilities. Final conclusion. Time travel is no longer just a fictional dream from a scientific point of view. We know that traveling to the future is possible, even if, for now, only on a small scale and under specific conditions. But traveling to the past is still a realm full of questions, doubts, and contradictions. Maybe one day science will find an answer, but for now, we can only go back to the past in our stories and imagination. Support us with your subscriptions, likes, and encouraging comments so we can keep creating with even more passion and purpose. Every thought you share means the world to us.